In this Blender tutorial, I'll show you how to use the build modifier in Blender. The keys I'm using are in the bottom right corner of the viewport. The build modifier causes the faces of an object to appear or disappear one at a time over a period of time. By default, the faces will appear in the order they were created, but this can be changed. The start frame is the frame on the timeline where the animation will begin. So if I change this to 10, the animation won't start until frame 10. The length is the number of frames it will take for the modifier to complete the animation. I can speed up the animation by decreasing the number to 50, or slow down the animation by increasing the number to 150. Reversed will cause the build operation to go in reverse. If I activate this option, the animation makes it appear as if the cube is disappearing. Randomize will simply randomize the order of the faces, with the seed setting a different random order. Each time I change the seed, the faces will appear or disappear in different ways. Not only can I change the options I've already mentioned, I can use the 3D cursor to determine how the faces will appear. This is done through the Sort Elements option under the Mesh menu. In Edit mode, I can select how I want the sort elements to affect my mesh. The Z-axis option will sort the faces from farthest to closest in the current view, meaning the camera. Notice that once I select one of the sorting elements options, I get a popover that lets me choose vertices, edges, or faces. The X-axis option will sort the faces from left to right. Cursor distance means that the faces will be sorted nearest to farthest from the 3D cursor. Material will sort the faces from smallest to largest according to the material index. This is something beyond the scope of this tutorial as it involves a more complicated material setup. Selected means the faces will be sorted according to how they were selected. So if I select a few random faces, when I run the animation, these faces will be animated first, and then the rest of the object will be animated on screen. Randomize is just like the option in the modifier itself. It will randomly animate the faces. Reverse is just like the option in the modifier itself. It will reverse the animation of the faces. If you have a request for a tutorial, a question, or a comment, feel free to leave a comment below the video. If you're interested in learning more, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.